Hi guys, let's thrift flipped. Hi guys, welcome to Living Positive Life and DIY. Okay, let's start. As you can see, it is an old skirt, mostly used to attend a mass gathering or to go to church. To start, what I did is I measured my waist until the above of my knee. I already measured and marked the rest of the fabric before. After I marked it, I cut it and voila, this is what it should be look like. Next, I will sew the upper part of that fabric. That will be my tank top, and in that place I will put the garter. And this is how it will look like after it was done sewing. Next, I will also put the garter in that lace. Before I sew it, I need to pin it. Make sure that the outer and the inner fabric will be sewed properly. And now it's kinda hard for me to sew that garter since I have to stretch that garter so that it will meet the end of that fabric. By the way, that garter was measured in my body size already. Halfway through my output, that is how the outside of that fabric looked like. The inside was the attach and stretch garter. In this phase, I kinda struggle because my fabric is too much that my fabric need to be stretched out just to cover the fabric, all of it. So my tip is to make sure that it's just enough, not too long, not too short. After so many years of adjusting, stretching that fabric, here is the result. I'm so happy with it. I think I made it right. Although I think the garter in the upper part of that tank top is too thick, but it was fine. Since I finished the first output, I need to do the second output, which is will be my skirt. I need to make sure that no fabric will fall out, so I need to create a hem and to also look presentable. I know it took me a while to finish this, but I'm really proud of myself. So here it is, my final output. I hope it will help you too. Just make sure you have patience in sewing and interest.
Like and subscribe.